Hi everybody, so our video this week is SwifDoo PDF. Get your work done faster and easier. Safe and clean, lightweight, fast, simple to use, and it's a one-stop shop. You know, get everything done one spot. So as you can see on the screen, first thing you have to do is type in www.swiftdoo.com, okay, for the download. You see it right up here. And then you're going to be able to download it right here from the link, and then we're going to go in and we're going to try it out. Before we do that, let's have a look at some of the features. So of course you can upgrade to the Pro version later on. Works in Windows 10, 11, all the way back to XP in 32 and 64-bit. So that's pretty good. It only requires 1 gigabyte processor, 150 megabyte of hard drive space, and 1 gig of RAM, which even the oldest systems will be able to run this. So if you need something like this, you're going to be good to go. So first off, click on your free download button and let's get this on our system. So it's going to download. Okay, so I'm using the Internet Explorer for opening this. So you can see here it says open file. So I'm going to open the file and we're going to say yes to install it. Say that you've read everything. Yeah. You can read it right here. You can do a custom install if you wish and decide where you want to put it. So if you don't want to put it on your C drive or someplace else, you can click on browse, put it wherever you want it, and you're good to go. I'm just going to accept the default for now, and I'm going to click install. Once you click on the install, it's very quick, and you can go start now. So I'm going to minimize this. Don't need this open anymore. And this is what you're going to see. I like it. It's very clean. I like the colors. It's kind of like my channel. I like the color green. So we'll start now. And this is what's going to come up. So the first thing you're going to see is so glad to have you here. All right. It's going to tell you edit, annotate, compress, merge and split, convert, watermark, and sign. What are all those? Well, you want to find out? Right on your left-hand side. You've got edit. Okay, oh, and it's going to come up with this, don't forget. So right now you're running a free trial version, okay? And it's going to last for 7 days. So after 7 days, that's it. Unless you register, okay, and then you're going to get 30 days. How can you go wrong with that, right? So that's what you could decide if you want to try it out for 7 days, you want to try it out for 30 days, totally up to you. So for now, let's close this out. And let's go up here. Okay, it's very much like using an Office program where you have all your features, everything you're going to need up here. Split screen, slideshow, everything you could possibly want. You want to annotate, okay, different fonts. Okay, you want to edit it, just going to give you all the different things here. You want to crop it, background, add images. You want to convert it, you can convert it to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, convert it to just plain text, HTML. Okay, you have pages as examples. You have advanced features, which is going to show you everything here on the left, which is basically your tutorial. It's going to walk you through. You have share, so if you want to share this, you can click that and it'll let you do it. Now, I don't think it's available in this trial version, but it's certainly an option. And of course, you have a help, but we're kind of on the help here right now. So let's start with, you can bookmark it or edit. So let's start with edit. So on edit, you can edit as PDF as easy as a Word file, which I showed you on the top there. So it shows you basically what I was showing you, how you can select it, how you can go edit. It's even got a whiteout feature, right? So you can move it, resize it, colorize it, italics, everything. This is pretty simple, straightforward. I don't think you can really go wrong. It even has OCR features still available to make a scanned PDF editable. All right, so you got a PDF and you're like, oh, I want to edit it, I want to do things with it. It's going to let you do that too. Okay, so here's all the things it's talking about. You're going to obviously have to try this, play with it yourself to see how all these features work. I mean, how can you go wrong with different theme colors, I've never seen a program like, I use one at work, and it really doesn't seem to have all these features. But, and if you do have all the features, that means you paid for a very expensive product. This is not an expensive product. It has all the features of an expensive product, but it's not. In fact, I'm probably going to have a link in the description, so check it out later on, where I'm going to give away some free keys to upgrade, and you're going to have it. So let's, don't forget to look there, check that out. Now, if I don't have it, I mean, suddenly it wasn't available, something happened, but I'm just putting it out there. If you want to see, or you want to explore even further, you're happy after you're doing your trial version, you want to check it out, check in the description. Okay? Often there's a lot more information in there that will help you out as well. So if you want to skip to a certain point, usually there's chapters as well. Anyway, this is going to let you annotate it, so you can draw arrows, draw lines, use a pencil, and you can make your own little notes on here. All right? Stamp it, erase it, you know. All this kind of good stuff. I mean, it's really, I'm really impressed. This is my first time really looking at it. I'm really impressed with it, to be quite honest. I'm just really quickly going through this. Now, this is something I think is pretty unique. Your watermark. Now, as I'm scrolling down, it's going here and it's going down to each different one. So you can click it here, or you can just scroll down and find it. Again, very basic, but very well thought out. So you custom watermark. So if you're dealing in a corporate environment and you want office use only, don't copy it, or it's a secret file or confidential, you got watermarks you can create, all right? And you can also delete them, all right? So these are important things to have, and they might be critical to your business, right? Features that I would want to have if I was using it. So this is the last one, which is the signature, your electronic signature, okay? Sometimes you're doing a contract, maybe your contractor working at a business, or just you have a contract that needs to be signed, and you're miles apart. Everybody's working remotely now. You're working remotely, you need a signature. You can use this feature, electronically sign it, and use it. So you can add a feature, so you could create your own image. You can do a signature, take a picture of it, and then upload it here and say, okay, that is the picture I'm using forever to electronically sign documents. And once you're using it, you're good to go, right? And most things, I know I've used it for contracts. You click it, and it just automatically pops in your signature, and then you just click and you send it off to whoever needs it, and you're done. How could you go wrong? I really think this is pretty impressive, to be quite honest. And if you didn't notice, you also have features where you can buy the Pro version. I'm going to click on this a little bit later because I want to show you the prices. I think you'll be very surprised. And of course, all the features I'm talking about and other things are all on the top. It's kind of like your ribbon. So you have your settings, shortcut keys, feedback, so you can give them suggestions. Write down what you want to give to them. So it says write down your comments on your SwifDoo document. Okay, so you can give feedback to people that you're sharing it with so that they know what you want. Okay? You're working in a legal office or real estate maybe. You don't always have the luxury of being sitting side by side, especially during everything that's going on now. So you have updates, so you can check for updates. If you need them, they'll be there. Okay, you have your print feature up here, and you have a little drop-down menu. And it gives you a new window, a new PDF. You can open files, you can save them, export PDFs in all the different formats over here. You have document properties, so you can see, okay, what kind of a document is it? Again, check for updates, feedback, all the stuff. They have it in so many places, it makes it very, very easy to find. Okay, so on the top over here, you have view. So now you can see all the other features you've got. So you want to fit the page, make it smaller to what you want. You can go full screen, actual size. You can scale it down. You can fit width, rotate it left and right. You can create your own theme. You know, default, dark, simplicity, eye protection. Oh, let's check eye protection out. Okay, there you go. Or let's go letter paper. You know, whatever you want. And you have other options in here you can explore. Right now I'm just going to go back to the default. So you have annotate. So again, this is where you can change your fonts. You can click your pencil mode. So if you click your pencil, I don't think it's going to work right now. Let's see. Yep, so there. You can sign your signature, whatever you want to do. You don't like it? No problem. I wonder if I can escape. Let's just see. Yeah, okay. So exit and erase. So if you don't like it, it'll eraser and take it all out. Start again. You know, it's got all the features that you might need. Right? I think this was pretty impressive, to be quite honest. You can stamp it, so you can say approved, good to go. Or you can say, nope, it's only a draft. Right? These are all things you may want. They've kind of got them done up for businesses. Okay, oh, I don't want to tell anybody this. Whoop, I better put confidential. You know, you can add attachments. Hey, a lot of times you add attachments. You want to add extra pages. It's all there for you. You want to edit. You've got all your different edits. Even has a whiteout feature. So you can, let me see here. So you can erase it. You can pick a color, line whiteout. So marker, calligraphy pen. You can add the size. So the width of what it's going to be. Yeah, let's just pick red. Let's see what that does. So what does it do? Just, okay, look, see? So I'm tired of all that. Let's cover that up. All right. Let's crop it. Let's just say, where can I crop? Okay, it's on up there in the corners. So you can pick what you want to do. Bring her down. All that kind of stuff. Okay. Let's go back. And you can go hand. And I guess I just let you move it up and down. So many features. So one thing I want to show you now is the Buy Pro. So if you're interested, this looks good to you. Okay, how much does it cost me? Let's go Buy Pro. Here we go. Right now they even have a 60% off. Special promotion for a limited time only. Look at your prices, guys. This is amazing. Look, your best deal. Monthly subscription, 60% off. It's only $8 a month. You want an annual? It'll cost you $41 for $41.40 for a year. You want a perpetual license. All right? Access to all SwifDoo features, 2 end devices per plan, unlimited device switches, free upgrade service, tech support. $119. You was $159. Get it now while it's still down in price. So 60% off. That's pretty good. And don't forget to check the description. It might be free. You can never tell. So you can see all the features here, that it's secure. You can have money back guarantee. So you decided to buy it right away. You couldn't wait. And now you're going to get your money back because, oh, I didn't like it. I mean, okay. I mean, it's pretty good, but that's up to you. So you can compare different plans, everything. I mean, I think this is pretty spectacular. So if you think this is something that you want and you're interested in, check it out. Why not? So that's just my take on it, because I use stuff like this, and I'm hoping that a lot of you do too, and it'll help you out. It'll be a pretty handy thing to have for businesses, big or small, doesn't matter. And there's contacts on there on their website. So if you have any questions, you can do that. And I think this is it. Let me just double check. Tell me what this is. Let's have a look here. If I click it. Nope, that's just if you want to register. Okay, so if you close this, you didn't know where it was at, it's there. All right, that's it. So if you like this video, if you like the product, check it out. Check out the description. I might have some free stuff here for you. And think about the product. Think about whether you like it, whether it's something for you. All right? And if you like the video, give me a like, the big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have questions, and I will get back to you. It might take me a while. Might take me like instantly. Just depends on how busy I am. And if you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications to see more of these wonderful videos. Right? And of course, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.